Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to register for the Microsoft discount Sweepstakes, get 50% off for the limited time. So Microsoft is providing the discount of the all the certification exam with the 50% discount voucher. So Microsoft applied skill Sweepstakes. What when a 50% discount voucher for the Microsoft certification exam, and when learn the Microsoft applied skills credential between August 25 to October 13 to 2025. So between that you have to uh, just complete the Microsoft apply skill, and then you will get a credential, and then you can apply for that. And how we'll get it? So complete the applied skill assessment, submit the entry form, only one entry per person, and winner chosen weekly, total 15,000 voucher available. Voucher validity redeem and use by the 30th March 2026 via Pearson VUE and exclude GitHub exams. So they are not giving the 50% discount for the GitHub exams. They are giving for the Microsoft Azure related exams. So we'll get to know what are the exams are available. So winner notification will get the mail from the MindHub and by Pearson VUE, and you will get the voucher code and instruction for that. So this is the great chance to upskill and save the Microsoft credit certifications. So link is this. This is the link. We'll go through the link. So in this page, we'll go through step by step. So I'm already logged in. You are not logged in, then log in into your account. So Microsoft applied skill Sweepstakes official rule. So there is a applied skill plus certification is equal to a powerful combination. So Microsoft applied skills. So let me go through this. So all applied skills. So these are the skills you can apply it, and you can get the credential. So I'll go through that. So pass the Microsoft applied skill assessment, complete the Sweepstake entry form. So this is the form. So this is the main form. So Microsoft applied skill Sweepstake. So unlock your potential and showcase. So between there is a date August 25 2025 to October 13. Between that you have to clear that this one applied skill, and then you will get a 50% discount on the Microsoft exam voucher on the weekly price drawing. So only two steps need to enter. So first earn the applied skill credential. So let me open this. Here it will show, okay, these are the applied skills. Okay, and we have to complete this and complete these forms. So main thing we are going for the next part. So step to enter, review the Swift term and condition of the page, available assessment. So these are the available Swift page, and these are the skills test. Okay, so you have to complete one of these. So just like I'll give you the example, I'm not going to do all. So just click on this and complete the task, prepare the assessment, complete this all the things. Then you will get a option of this. So by clicking on the box and confirming that you have read all the term and condition, so click there and click on start and start the training. So you are not completed the training, this is showing. So complete the training first, then go for this. So it will give you the verification 3. So 143. Okay. So submit this. So let it load. So meanwhile, go for the other term and conditions. So this is the term and condition, and this is the drawings. Okay, start date, end date, and find this is the number of winners. So price, period price 1, they will give the 3,000 winner. 2 1500, 3 1500, like this. Total is 7 drawings are there, and all the winners will be the 3 9 and 15,000. Okay, if you calculate this one, so they will give you the 15,000 winners. On 15,000, each winner will receive the 50% discount exam voucher. Approximate retail value will be the 0. Okay, so this is the page, and here retry the connection. So I'm going for the full screen. Let me check. So here the step-by-step process is given there. You have a username and password. Log into your virtual machine. That is a admin, and this is the password. Okay, some switch going on. Okay, I got it. So click here and click in the username. Automatically it will type. Okay, admin is the user. Okay, I need the password. Okay, loading your lab content. Okay, we have a password. Directly I'm just putting this. So password is given. Click on next. So this is my page. Okay, so what they are saying. So if you need the screen reader, then just run this one. Okay, NVDA, or open the email. You will get a instruction over there. So I'm just, so the general instruction is there. So complete the task, or read this one carefully and go to the existing environment. It will give you the credentials for the your Microsoft 365 subscription. So open this. So already open this account here. So what you have to do, you can copy from here, or you can go through the email messages here, login. Okay, so open this, give the username, next, give the password, next, yes. So I'm logged in. Okay, so now go to the instruction and follow the process. Whatever the process this is given, you have to complete all the task. So there is a task detail is there, and finally in status complete. So submit the assessment. After submitting the assessment, you will get a credential. Okay, it will show in your page. I'll showing you. So go to this page. Now I'm in final form. So here your username. So click there, open in new tab. This is my username. Paste this. Provide your email address. So provide write your email address, and here provide the credential link. So applied that you earned the between the August 2025 to October 13. Okay, so open this. In your profile it will show you the applied test. Okay, applied test, just like this is showing not completed. Okay, so it will show you like this. Just see this one. So Microsoft applied test, and there is a, you will get a share and copy the credential link. Right click on that. If you click on this, it will give you the copy the credential link, or just copy the credential link and paste this one into this URL. Okay, just I am giving for the testing purpose, I am giving this. So click on next. After next, there is a term and condition. You complete this one. Yes, you have to provide the yes and just submit. So we have given We have to give this one proper, not this one. So you have to earn the credit, apply the skill test, and you have to give the copy credential link provided, same URL. Okay. So after that, you in weekly drawings, you'll get a voucher. So in this video, we are learned how to get a Microsoft discount Sweepstakes, get 50% off of the limited period. So step by step process I have shown you. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe and like for the more videos. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.